Hi Robin. um, Attempting to do the arm cutaway or the arm slope, which is almost two-dimensional. It's almost in a plane, but it's got a slight curve at the edges, obviously. And I'm struggling to work out how to do this, or think of a way of doing this. I've stuck it to the bit of paper to the guitar, and I was going to do some like shading. It starts about here, and I was also thinking of actually cutting. Maybe I'll do the shading first and then the cutting. It starts about here and then goes, obviously then it finishes here. Got a pencil. I don't know. It starts here. It's a very, very gradual curve here, and then pretty abrupt here, right at the edge, to go to that very thin part that runs, as you know, in an S shape. Right. Difficult to hold this camera. I'm a bit of a weakling, as you know. I think I'll put the camera down for a second and do some shading and see if it's obvious what's going to happen. That's the floor you're looking at. You're looking at the floor. Is it still running? Yeah. It's just the angle of the camera, which is easy for me to put it down that way. I suppose. Do something like that. No, that doesn't help at all. It's not obvious what's going on. Perhaps that way around. Reminds me of being 6 when you go into the woods and do bark rubbing with the school, or even in a church. I remember doing that when I was little and thinking, well, that's not come out very well. Remember that on trees, and then wet paper and all the rest of it. It's not an obvious thing. I'm still at it. I suppose you can hear the thing. So. Oh, that's difficult to indicate where it is. Perhaps I just draw a line where I don't know. I'm going to draw a line where it feels like it starts the cutaway. Perhaps that's a better way of doing it. It's such a gradual cutaway at the start, it's difficult to choose where you think it starts. Put the pencil now next to me, a finger, and then as soon as the finger starts to go down, I'm just making the mark there. Hang on, it's almost like I've drawn 2 lines. It's the same curve, but I've done the wrong. Because I can't see underneath very well. The edge of the car guitar as well. I thinking about cutting one with scissors. Oh, this is a disaster. Um, um, uh, that's flat, and then it starts there. It's actually more cutaway here than I thought it would be. That's flat, and it's curved there. Flat, curve, curve, flat, curve, flat, curve. So I didn't realise how far away up here the cutaway went. And it starts there. Yeah, I've definitely drawn it more or less in the right place, I think. I think I'll cut that line with a pair of scissors, and then it'll be less confusing. If I can't think of any other way to do it without, I suppose I could do the talcum powder thing and then just show it from various angles with the camera. Sorry about the tablet case being in the way, but I'll stop it there.